Hi!
Welcome to Fermented Person! What are we gonna make today?
Pork jowl.
Before we start, what is the part of pork jowl? Is this part? Like this here. Not the pork butt, but more like real jowl.
Many people confuse pork butt and pork jowl. I usually find the pork jowl in a big Asian supermarket, or in Japanese and Korean supermarket, they will call it pork choro. It's gonna look like this with a lot of fat marble along the muscle line, with a full layer of fat on the other side. Start with tenderizing the pork jowl, the fat side down. Use fork to poke all over the flesh side. This will let the marinade seep in more effectively. Next, we're gonna start the marinade. Peel 3 cloves of garlic and put in a blender. Add 2 cilantro stems, 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken soup powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to blend it together. Add 1 tablespoon of water. And 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Blend it all together so it becomes smooth. Pour the marinade mixture onto the pork. Make sure to coat the whole thing with the marinade. Then put it in the fridge overnight. After the pork is marinated overnight, preheat the oven to 350. When the oven reaches the temp, put the pork jowl with the rack in for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes up, turn the heat up to 450 for 10 minutes. The pork should look caramelized, yet inside is still juicy and tender. You can eat this as a snack or with rice or noodle. I suggest eating it with sticky rice. It's a really good combination. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more cooking video in the future. Enjoy!